Are you struggling with weight loss? Do you experience digestive issues? You're not alone. Millions of people face these challenges. The good news is that there's a natural, effective approach to reclaiming your health: bariatric and anti-inflammatory eating. And this isn't just about shedding pounds, it's about nourishing your body from the inside out. By focusing on nutrient-rich whole foods, you can heal your gut, reduce inflammation, and achieve sustainable weight loss. This approach empowers you to make lasting changes for a healthier, happier you. Let's embark on this journey together and unlock the transformative power of food. Bariatric eating isn't just for post-surgery patients, it's a powerful tool for anyone looking to improve their health. This approach emphasizes portion control, nutrient density, and gut-friendly foods. What does this mean for you? Choose lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber-rich fruits and vegetables. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. This way of eating promotes satiety, aids digestion, and supports overall well-being. Whether you're looking to lose weight, improve your gut health, or simply feel your best, bariatric eating can help you reach your goals. Do you experience bloating, gas, constipation, or diarrhea? These could be signs of gut inflammation. This common issue can disrupt your entire body, affecting your energy levels, mood, and even your immune system. Several factors contribute to gut inflammation, including poor diet, stress, and certain medications. Processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can damage the gut lining, leading to inflammation. The good news is that you can soothe your gut and reduce inflammation through dietary changes. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods and limit those that trigger inflammation. Ready to put this knowledge into action? Let's dive into a practical and easy-to-follow weekly meal plan that will guide you towards a healthier lifestyle. This plan is designed to provide balanced nutrition, variety, and delicious meals that you can look forward to every day. This sample weekly meal plan provides a roadmap to a healthier, happier you. It includes a variety of meals that are not only nutritious but also easy to prepare. Each day is carefully planned to ensure you get the right balance of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, along with essential vitamins and minerals. Remember to adjust portion sizes based on your individual needs and consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. This plan is flexible and can be tailored to fit your specific dietary requirements. Now let's break it down day by day. Monday, breakfast oatmeal with berries and nuts. This hearty breakfast is packed with fiber and antioxidants, giving you a great start to your day. Lunch, salad with grilled chicken and avocado. This meal is rich in protein and healthy fats, keeping you full and energized throughout the afternoon. Dinner, salmon with roasted vegetables. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, and paired with roasted vegetables, it makes for a nutritious and satisfying dinner. Tuesday, breakfast smoothie with spinach, banana, and almond milk. This smoothie is a quick and easy way to pack in a lot of nutrients first thing in the morning. Lunch, leftover salmon and roasted vegetables. Reusing leftovers not only saves time, but also ensures you don't waste any food. Dinner, turkey meatballs with zucchini noodles. This low-carb dinner is both delicious and filling, perfect for a healthy evening meal. Wednesday, our breakfast, scrambled eggs with vegetables. Eggs are a great source of protein, and adding vegetables boosts the meal's nutritional value. Lunch, salad with quinoa and grilled tofu. Quinoa is a complete protein, and tofu adds an extra protein punch, making this a perfect plant-based meal. Dinner, chicken stir-fry with brown rice. This meal is packed with lean protein and whole grains, providing a balanced and tasty dinner. Thursday, breakfast yogurt with fruit and granola. This combination is not only delicious but also provides probiotics, fiber, and essential nutrients. Lunch, leftover chicken stir-fry. Utilizing leftovers makes meal prep easier and ensures you have a nutritious meal ready to go. Dinner, lentil soup. Lentils are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber, making this soup both hearty and healthy. Friday, breakfast smoothie with berries, spinach, and protein powder. This smoothie is a powerhouse of nutrients, perfect for a quick and energizing breakfast. Lunch, salad with grilled shrimp and avocado. Shrimp is a low-calorie protein source, and avocado adds healthy fats, making this salad both light and satisfying. Dinner, baked fish with sweet potato fries. This meal is a healthier take on a classic favorite, providing lean protein and complex carbohydrates. Saturday, breakfast pancakes made with whole wheat flour and fruit. These pancakes are a healthier alternative to traditional ones, and the fruit adds natural sweetness and vitamins. Lunch. Leftover baked fish and sweet potato fries. Leftovers make for a quick and easy lunch, ensuring you stay on track with your healthy eating. Dinner pizza with a cauliflower crust and plenty of vegetables. This pizza is a low-carb alternative that doesn't skimp on flavor, making it a perfect weekend treat. Sunday. Breakfast omelette with vegetables and avocado. This protein-packed breakfast is a great way to start your Sunday, providing energy and nutrients to fuel your day. Lunch leftover pizza. Enjoying leftovers from your healthy homemade pizza ensures you have a delicious and nutritious meal without any extra effort. Dinner roasted chicken with roasted vegetables. This classic dinner is both comforting and nutritious, providing a perfect end to your week. This is just a sample plan to get you started. Feel free to mix and match meals, and don't be afraid to experiment with new recipes and ingredients. Feel free to customize it based on your preferences and dietary needs. The key is to find what works best for you and to enjoy the process of creating healthy, delicious meals. Eating healthy doesn't have to be bland or boring. In fact, it can be an exciting culinary adventure that brings joy to your taste buds and vitality to your body. By incorporating anti-inflammatory ingredients into your meals, you can create dishes that are not only delicious but also beneficial for your overall health. Here are some simple, flavorful recipes to tantalize your taste buds while nourishing your body. These recipes are designed to be easy to prepare using ingredients that are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Let's start with a turmeric smoothie. Blend together a handful of fresh spinach, a ripe banana, a cup of almond milk, a teaspoon of ground turmeric, and a pinch of black pepper. The turmeric adds a warm, earthy flavor, while the black pepper enhances its absorption in your body. This smoothie is not only refreshing but also packed with nutrients. Next, we have grilled salmon with roasted vegetables. Start by tossing chopped broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers with olive oil, salt, and pepper. These vegetables are rich in vitamins and antioxidants, making them a perfect complement to the salmon. Roast the vegetables in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes or until they are tender and slightly caramelized. This roasting process brings out their natural sweetness and enhances their flavors. While the vegetables are roasting, season the salmon fillets with salt, pepper, and a generous squeeze of lemon juice. The lemon juice adds a bright, zesty flavor that pairs beautifully with the rich, fatty salmon. Grill or bake the salmon alongside the vegetables for the last 10 to 15 minutes of their cooking time. This ensures that everything is ready to serve at the same time, making it a convenient and efficient meal. For a hearty and comforting option, try our lentil soup. Start by sautéing onions, carrots, and celery in olive oil until they are softened and fragrant. This forms the flavorful base of the soup. Add in lentils, vegetable broth, diced tomatoes, and your favorite herbs and spices. Lentils are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber, making this soup both nutritious and satisfying. Let the soup simmer until the lentils are tender and all the flavors have melded together. This usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes. The result is a rich, hearty soup that is perfect for any time of the year. These are just a few ideas to inspire you. The possibilities are endless when it comes to creating delicious and healthy meals that support your well-being. Get creative in the kitchen and enjoy the process of making delicious, gut-friendly meals. Remember, eating healthy is not just about the food itself, but also about the joy and satisfaction that comes from preparing and sharing meals with loved ones. Breakfast to brighten your day. Start your day off right with these anti-inflammatory breakfast options. Berrylicious oatmeal. Choose steel-cut or rolled oats for extra fiber. Cook with water or almond milk. Top with a handful of fresh or frozen berries, a sprinkle of nuts or seeds, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup if you like. Green Power smoothie. Blend a handful of spinach or kale with a frozen banana, a scoop of protein powder, a tablespoon of almond butter, and a cup of unsweetened almond milk. These breakfasts provide sustained energy, support digestion, and reduce inflammation, setting you up for a productive and healthy day. Lunching for energy and well-being. Keep your energy levels high and your gut happy with these satisfying lunch ideas. Big green salad. Don't skimp on the greens. Load your salad with spinach, romaine lettuce, or mixed greens. Add grilled chicken or fish, hard-boiled eggs, tofu, or beans for protein. Include plenty of colorful vegetables like bell peppers, cucumbers, tomatoes, and onions. Leftovers reimagined. Don't let last night's dinner go to waste. Repurpose leftover protein and vegetables into a salad, wrap, or grain bowl. These lunches are packed with nutrients, fiber, and flavor, ensuring you stay full and focused throughout the afternoon. Dinner delights for gut health. In this section, we will explore some delightful dinner recipes that are not only delicious but also beneficial for your gut health. These recipes are designed to be easy to prepare, family-friendly, and packed with nutrients that support a healthy digestive system. End your day with these delicious and nourishing dinner recipes. They are perfect for winding down after a long day and ensuring that your body gets the nutrients it needs to repair and rejuvenate overnight. Sheet pan supper. Simplify your cooking with a one-pan meal. This method not only saves time, but also makes cleanup a breeze. Plus, it's a great way to ensure that all the flavors meld together beautifully. Toss diced chicken or tofu with Brussels sprouts, broccoli florets, and sweet potato chunks. These ingredients are rich in fiber and essential vitamins, making them perfect for a gut-friendly meal. Drizzle with olive oil, season with herbs and spices, and roast in the oven until tender. The olive oil adds healthy fats, while the herbs and spices enhance the flavor and provide additional health benefits. Lemony herb. Chicken and veggies. Sear chicken breasts in a skillet with olive oil. This method locks in the juices and ensures that the chicken is tender and flavorful. Add chopped zucchini, squash, and cherry tomatoes. These vegetables are not only colorful, but also packed with antioxidants and fiber, which are great for your gut. Season with lemon juice, garlic, oregano, and thyme. These ingredients add a burst of flavor and have anti-inflammatory properties that support gut health. Serve with a side of quinoa or brown rice. Both of these grains are excellent sources of fiber and protein, making them perfect companions for your gut-friendly dinner. These dinners are easy to prepare, family-friendly, and packed with gut-healing ingredients. They are perfect for bringing the family together and making mealtime a joyous occasion. They promote healthy digestion and provide the nutrients your body needs to thrive. By incorporating these recipes into your dinner routine, you can support your gut health and overall well-being. Take control of your health today. You've learned about the power of bariatric and anti-inflammatory eating. Now it's time to take action. Are you ready to transform your health and well-being? I've created exclusive recipe books and meal plans packed with delicious gut-healing recipes and expert guidance to support your journey. Click here to learn more and start your journey to a healthier, happier you.